In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in Meta Ads Manager and guide you through the updated steps so your ad schedules and reporting match your desired time. First, open Meta Business Suite or Business Manager on your browser. This is where all your Meta ad accounts and tools are centralized, making it easier to manage your campaigns. Once you're on the page, log in using the Facebook account linked to the ad account you want to adjust. Make sure you select the correct account if you have multiple, because changes only apply to the account you're logged into. After logging in, navigate to the Ads section from the left-hand panel. Clicking Ads will take you to Ads Manager, the central hub for creating and managing campaigns. Once you're in Ads Manager, head to the Settings section. This is where account-level options are stored, including payment settings and other crucial preferences. Within Settings, look for Payment Settings. Even though it might seem unrelated, the option to change your time zone is often located here or nearby. In Payment Settings, click on the Add Payment Method button. You don't actually need to add a new payment method. This is just part of navigating to the Edit menu, where time zone settings are accessible. After clicking Add Payment Method, select Edit. Here, Meta will reveal the time zone option. Scroll through the options and choose the time zone that matches your location or the location of your target audience. This ensures that all reporting and ad schedules are accurate. If you don't see the time zone option in the Edit menu, scroll to the bottom of the same page and click on Business Info. Select the Edit button next to your business information, and from there, you can change the time zone. Keep in mind, doing this will delete the current ad account and create a new one, so make sure you understand the impact before confirming. Once you select your new time zone, save your changes to apply them. With these steps completed, your Meta Ads Manager will now operate on the correct time zone, keeping your campaign scheduled properly and your reporting accurate.